Okay, Doc. Tell me about the silo.
That's Hauser Labs, the heart of the Blood Dragon research, and the nursery where we're breeding the dragons.
Nursery? Sloan. Tell me, Doc, how'd you end up with that lunatic?
After the US stopped the Soviet invasion by nuking Canada, we had no home left. Sloan offered us that. And a purpose. We didn't know he'd gone rogue.
Alright, Doc. It's nap time for the nursery.
Objective: penetrate Hauser Labs.
I had my eye on him.
Welcome to the Silo of the Future, where all your stronghold needs will come true.
I'm in, Doc. But a nursery, this place sure is full of the science.
It's not just a nursery. It's where Sloan's building the brain cages to control the dragons. They won't attack his cyber soldiers so long as they wear the brain cages.
Not on my watch.
Destroy the prototype erector rooms, Rex. And if you see any dragons with brain cages, shoot the aggression inhibitor unit on the back of their skull. They'll revert to their normal aggressive behavior and attack the cyber soldiers. Otherwise, they won't respond to cyber hearts or fire.
Destroy the brain cage prototypes. Destroy the next brain cage prototype.
Blood Dragon, unique and majestic killing machines that dominate the top rung of Evil Vision's food chain. Press the button to
He shoots, he scores.
Proceed to the next brain cage erector room.
Ooh, spooky doors.
There's nothing to it. No. First matter. Go. We have more bodies. Okay, there's nothing to it. Right. Right. At least proceed where you're looking down. First matter. Go. Real clear. When we find this fucker, we need to take it. Looks clear. Let's see. You're just another target of opportunity.
said blow me, so I did.
Destroy the last brain cage prototype. Objective complete.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. All personnel, stop intruder from reaching the silo door that protects the vulnerable nursery.
Hut, set an objective.
Affirmative. Objective. Open silo door. Objective complete. Jump down to the sub-level.
Are you kidding me?
You are not the punchline. You are a killing machine. Jump.
Why the hell is this thing so slow? Surprise.
Objective. Secure flamethrower and destroy Blood Dragon egg clutches.
Alert. Sub-basement breached. Stop the intruder before he can enter the nursery and turn the emergency wall-mounted flamethrowers against the egg clutches. All personnel, please use non-lethal rounds to avoid damaging the egg clutches.
Belay that!
All personnel, please use full lethal sanction to stop the intruder.
Time to break some eggs.
Attention. Wall-mounted flamethrowers are to be used only in cases of emergency by sanctioned personnel. If you're uncertain if it's an emergency, then it's probably not. Have a nice day.
I like the part where they blow up. Boom, baby. Excellent. I like mine extra crispy.
Warning. Fire excites Blood Dragons. It does not hurt them.
I'm truly exceptional. Can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs. Are these extraterrestrial? Fried eggs coming up. Guess I'm coming out of my shell. Anyone want their eggs scrambled?
Objective. Reach the elevator and escape.
Alert. All egg clutches destroyed. Fire suppression systems have caught fire. Beginning evacuation.
Initiate self-destruct protocols. T-minus 30 minutes. 3, 2, 1, blow up, goddammit!
Have a pleasant day.
How slow is this goddamn elevator? What's the point?
Dramatic tension. Alert. Inbound blood dragon. It's one of the mothers. She is angry you took a flamethrower to her nest.
You now have no time left to reach minimum safe distance.
Huh. That seemed kind of familiar to you?
Recommendation. Mount the gun turret.
No shit.
Objective complete.
Countdown has begun.
Rex, film the project. The amphibian shark squid hybrid attack type. Destroy the bridge exit. You're going to have to jump over the chasm in a vehicle.
Jump the shark.
Sayonara, sushi! Yeah!
Objective complete.
Rex, I saw the whole thing through my scope. That was incredible.
No, Doc. Paintings of crying clowns and dogs playing poker. Those are incredible. What I did, that's just a job.